Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to update software version. To do this, you need to open Xiaomi Earbuds application and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then just scroll down. And right here we have update firmware, tap at this line, firmware is the same as software. And firstly you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check it or update it. Then when you sign in into your account, if you tap at this line and you see information at the bottom, it means that you have the last software version. If you haven't, you can enter inside this line and then update it. Also at this channel we have video how to update it, so you can check it. If it didn't help you or you haven't the last software version, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom near to USB-C port we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side start flashing white 3 times. Firstly it starts blinking white because it's entered to pairing mode. Don't worry, just keep holding these earbuds. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it to your phone. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connection button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And now check it. Also, and you can check it of course in the application. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and fully charge your earbuds. And then check it. If the battery level are the same, amazing. If it's different, still different, I recommend it to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!